Hello guys, good evening to each and everyone. My announcement ko ulit sa inyo was Sunday, April 12, 2026, 1 p.m. sa balay ni Barumbado or what I mean is sa Barangaya, which is in Barangay Takuleng. May another sparring session sa mga matabo. So a main event is Barumbado himself, which is Glenmark Olaera versus ang bad boy ng Bago, which is J.O. Topesa. So sila dua ang main event of the afternoon tomorrow guys sa barangay Takuling, which is sa barangay ni Barumbado. So guys, makatutong ato mga idol kanday Chuchu TV, sila ni Idol Magno, Idol John Paul, si Idol Kiano, mga Kiano, kag madamo pa nakatuma itong mga vloggers. We don't know makatutong iba ng mga vloggers. So guys, madamo itong makatong nga tao. So damo tumahampang, may mga maupod man sa akon tomorrow morning makato dito sa barangay nila, sa barangay Takuleng, sa barangay ni Barumbado. So guys, aga pangita sa sparring partners. So pwede ka join to. Damo makatong nga tawo. Wala ta kabalo may makatutong artista. Isa na ko da. So feel free to take a picture with me guys, or do a selfie with me. Pwede get. Or take a video with me. Pwede get. Just kidding guys. So guys, ready na kamo para tomorrow. And unfortunately, I don't know if I can play tomorrow because may stiffness ko di sa akong chest. Dito sa right side ko diyo, sa chest ko. And then sa back ko, feeling ko daw na kibitan ko gamay sa previous nga sparring. So sining do bag unamay ko ka sparring. Doon hindi lang basta sparring, it's a hard sparring guys. Kita mo, do pa chanaya to. Hindi mata mo pa perdebe, bata pa tong kontrata. So everything for the glory of God and for Team Bunal, I'm going to do all my best. Bahala na da. So it's like we're doing everything to make our viewers become happy and satisfied guys. So that's the power essence of Team Bunal. Yeah. So guys, see you there tomorrow. So if you're gusto nyo mag-sparring, you can go there. And we're gonna talk together and have fun. We're all friends there. Even though sa social media nga do gatinikal or sinayay, we're actually sa tubangay, we're all friends. Kanday Makmak Vlog with Gingging Lee, kanday Jack Wambu, mga mabuot nga tawa na. Si Kuan Jan Fold Vlogs actually buot man na. Si tanan abi nyo kundo mga tuntog sa mga good Samaritans actually. We're helping with each other on our team. Kanday Buitikal, di ba? Si Idol Juren. So we will be there tomorrow probably guys. So see you there tomorrow guys at 1 p.m. sa barangay ni Barumbado in Barangay Takuleng. And that's all. Let's go guys.
Team Bunal would like to thank our sponsors. Trupang A Food Hub, one rugged act of kindness at a time. David Grill and KTV. They're the best in barbecue grills and KTV. Ben's Boxing Gym, by Coach Ben La Chica. They're located near Asan City, Bacolod. Team Bunal.